comment because they are busy. Annalisa Kalimpitan, she's ironing, and Lema said that she's in Philippines, she's taking a rest. Maybe she's playing card. She's playing card. You know, sometimes I'm playing card. I think today I'm talking with you, long conversation, haha. Coincidence. Yeah, David, thank you. So I'm very lucky to have you in my life. You are the one talking a lot with me here. Thank you very much. I'm not only you, I'm lucky. All of you, I'm lucky because they give me likes, and at least they can talk with me here for a while, and they give me time. Even they are busy, they give me time to talk with me for a while. So I am very lucky to have you in my life. In my life, in my life. I'm from Bahrain. You're a nice girl. I love you so much. Nursula, you are from Bahrain. I am in Bahrain also. Oh, it's my tummy hurts. Nursula, which place you are in Bahrain? My tummy pain. Very hot. So guys, I want to say goodbye now. I want to get ready. I will go out. I will go to buy something else. Something for myself. Thank you so much for the loving and support. David, it's okay, no problem. You are very kind-hearted and innocent and respectful. So that I like to talk with you. It's my pleasure, Ja. Thank you, David, my dear. My dear love friend, David, thank you so much. And I want to say good luck always to your business, and be always blessing in life and good health. Just keep your what you're doing in life, and always be educated person. To talk, you are a very educated person. How you talk with me, it's very respectful. I love you so much, my dear friend. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone, and I will say goodbye now. Narsula, thank you so much. Lalabs Lisa, Lalabs Lay. Allah, hindi ko napanood si ano. Saglit lang, I want to go to channel for this on the pin. I'm sorry. I don't know if I will watch first ER Kabayan. I forgot to watch him. I'm sorry, ER. I pin you but I didn't watch. Now I play him. Narsula, I am fine too. Where are you? I am fine too. Where are you from? I am from Philippines, but I am in Bahrain, Narsula. What time you again coming live again? David, later on, like 7:30 or 7. I'm going out. I will bring my live outside. I will do live while I'm outside. So I hope to see you again later if you have time, guys. But if you are busy, no problem. Take your time and do your job, or you want to take a rest, no problem. You can sleep, whoever want to sleep, because it's depend on the time of their country. So guys, thank you so much. Berko, hi pretty girl. Hello Berko. Berko, I'm sorry now. I will end my live. Thank you very much, my dear. Dumaga, thank you also. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Watching ko lang si ER Kabayan. Mag-end na ako. David, love you my friend. Love you dearest friend. Lalabs Lisa, love you sa inyo lahat dyan. Love you so much all my viewers, my silent viewers, thank you also. Bye-bye na.